want the taste of home, but all I got is Panda Express. The place where all Asian robots like me go when things are truly dire. So let's make Hong Kong style chow mein. First, we're gonna chop up some veggies and marinate our proteins in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, dark soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, and set aside. These noodles are often eaten alongside various other dim sum dishes like your xiu long bao, chong yao bang, or just for one very hungry Zuzu. Who will stop me? You won't. And make it extra slippery so that it's not only soft, but it requires some extra skill to pick up so it doesn't fall right through. Or you can use a fork, like a heathen. Then we're gonna fry up our noodles. But not deep fry them. What do you think this is? America? You think we have money for that expensive oil? Instead, we're going to boil them first. And we're gonna fry it for 10 minutes on each side. But be careful not to disturb them, otherwise it'll become broken. Then we're gonna cook our chicken, shallots, garlic, carrots, mushroom in that order before removing and recombining with our delicious sauce. Chinese chow mein actually varies quite a bit across Asian countries, with stuff like gongchang or the Japanese yakisoba. If you need to, you can add a little bit more of the marinade in case you want to have a more gravy-filled dish. Garnish with a little bit of green onion over top of your crunchy noodles, and voila! Delicious Hong Kong style chow mein.